Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste are discarded into our oceans and landfills, creating a silent environmental crisis that threatens our very existence on Earth. But what if the luxurious outfit you see on the runway today was born from the very waste we once threw away in our daily lives? Welcome to the dawn of a new era where fashion meets sustainability, turning discarded materials into breathtaking masterpieces of modern design and ecological responsibility for everyone. The paradox of beauty and waste is finally being resolved through revolutionary technology, bridging the gap between environmental destruction and the peak of human creativity. Join us as we explore the incredible journey of transformation, where trash is no longer an end, but a beautiful beginning for the world's finest wardrobes. Our story starts here, with a simple plastic bottle about to undergo a metamorphosis that will redefine the way we think about the clothes we wear. The first step is a precise selection process. High-speed robotic systems sort through mountains of waste to find the specific plastic needed for our textile revolution. Advanced laser technology identifies the molecular structure of every piece, ensuring only the highest quality PET plastic moves forward to become the soul of future fashion. Pure cleanliness is essential. Powerful jets of water strip away every impurity and label, preparing the raw material for its transition from common waste to luxury. Precision is key as the system separates bottle caps from their bodies, ensuring the purity of the material is maintained at every single stage of the process. Now sterilized and sorted, these once discarded bottles shine with a new potential, ready to be broken down and rebuilt into something far more valuable and lasting. Only the finest PET containers are chosen. From this moment on, they are no longer trash, but the premium raw ingredients for a sustainable fashion industry. The physical transformation begins as massive blades tear the plastic into tiny flakes. This is the moment where the original form of the waste is destroyed. Falling like a colorful storm, these flakes represent the building blocks of our future fabrics, waiting to be melted down into a pure and versatile state. Under intense heat, the solid plastic yields, turning into a molten liquid. At 260 degrees Celsius, the very molecular structure is prepared for its new identity. The heat is extreme, but necessary to purge any remaining impurities, creating a liquid polymer that is as pure as newly manufactured polyester, but far more sustainable. These massive silos hold the liquid potential of thousands of recycled bottles, standing as monuments to a circular economy that values every piece of material we use. Consistency is vital. The molten plastic is carefully homogenized to ensure that every thread produced later will have the same strength and beauty as the finest silk. Pressure drives the liquid through advanced filtration system, removing microscopic particles and ensuring that the final material is perfectly smooth and ready for the spinning process. What was once a dirty bottle in a landfill is now a pure, high-performance polymer, ready to be spun into the threads of the future fashion world. The magic of nanospinning begins here. Molten plastic is forced through thousands of tiny holes, emerging as delicate fibers much thinner than a single human hair. In this sterile, high-tech environment, we are witnessing the birth of a new textile. These fibers are the foundation of a more responsible and elegant future. A sudden blast of cold air solidifies the strands instantly. They shimmer like liquid silver, possessing incredible strength and flexibility for the most demanding fashion designs. Mechanical precision takes over as the fibers are wound at incredible speeds. Miles of sustainable thread are gathered onto bobbins, ready for the looms of world-class designers. Every spool represents hundreds of bottles kept out of our oceans. This is the industrial scale of change, where technology meets the urgent needs of our planet. Under the microscope, there is no difference. Recycled fibers match the quality and performance of virgin materials, proving that luxury does not require new oil or resources. These threads are engineered for the highest performance. They are durable, breathable, and perfectly suited for everything from activewear to the most delicate evening gowns. The journey from waste to wardrobe is nearly complete. Thousands of spools are now heading to the weaving mills to be turned into the fabrics of tomorrow. This is the heartbeat of the textile revolution. A clean, efficient, and innovative process that turns an environmental burden into a beautiful and functional resource. The looms bring the thread to life. High-speed weaving creates fabrics with unique textures and incredible strength, setting a new standard for sustainable luxury materials. The touch is indistinguishable from traditional luxury fabrics. It is soft, supple, and carries the weight of a better future in every single woven strand. Precision, laser technology, shapes the fabric into elegant patterns. This fusion of craft and technology ensures zero waste even during the garment construction phase. Expert craftsmanship assembles the final pieces. Every stitch is a commitment to quality, proving that recycled materials are worthy of the world's most prestigious fashion houses. Even the smallest details, like buttons and zippers, are born from the same circular process. Every component of the garment tells a story of complete environmental harmony. Designers now have a new canvas to work with, a material that is as beautiful to the eye as it is kind to the planet we inhabit. The result is stunning. A masterpiece of design that looks like it belongs on the cover of a magazine, but started as a bottle on a beach. The distance from waste to fashion is bridged by innovation. We have transformed the way we produce beauty, making it sustainable for generations to come. The label is a badge of honor. It tells the wearer that they are part of the solution, choosing style that does not sacrifice the health of our world. When we wear sustainable fashion, we walk in harmony with nature. Our clothes become a testament to our respect for the environment and the life within it. Think of the impact. Just 10 plastic bottles can be transformed into a beautiful shirt, turning a massive waste problem into a stylish and practical solution. Beyond the physical product, this process slashes carbon emissions by half, protecting our climate while keeping our oceans clean and our ecosystems thriving for the future. From the landfill to the runway, the cycle is complete. A perfect loop of creation that proves we have the tools to save our world through innovation. This is the new generation of consumers. They demand more from their clothes, choosing a future where style and ethics are woven together in every single piece. Our factories are becoming part of the landscape, operating with clean energy and a vision for a world where industry and nature exist in perfect, lasting balance. The future of fashion is here, and it is recycled. Join the movement, choose sustainability, and let's write a beautiful new chapter for our planet together.